Good morning, guys. Anthony from the Wall Street Bull. Got my morning coffee here. Let's get into my portfolio and my next purchases that I'm going to make. So stick around. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you all have had a great weekend. And for those of you in the USA and the UK, it is night in the UK, Sunday night, and it's still Sunday in the USA. So I hope you're enjoying your weekend, guys. So first of all, I just want to say a huge thank you to everyone who has checked out the channel. If you're new, guys, make sure you subscribe, because I love building dividend wealth with every single one of you guys. And also, guys, if you're new to stake, please feel free to use the referral code below, because it will get you a free stock in Dropbox, GoPro, or Nike. And I tell you, I reckon I'm close to getting one in Nike, guys. So hopefully we'll see what happens with that. So I've just got my morning coffee here. Oh, that always helps doing these videos. Anyway, so on the day last week on Friday, I finished up at 0.36%. So I'm in the green, $71.41, guys, and in total I'm up 31%. On the day of Friday last week, $4,690.58, guys. It's a pretty mixed bag, mostly, you know, across my entire portfolio, guys. I've had some really good, obviously companies that have had some good returns, like Neo had a good return, guys. Let's have a look here. The other one actually was EPD, which is one I'm heavily wanting to invest in, guys. It's had a good return on the day, so $22.49. It's in the green. And guys, the other one I'm going to show you is actually AMC. Now I wanted to talk about this one. It's still sitting at $13.93. What an incredible return this has had. I bought this at $8 a share, guys, and it's had a serious increase. I've made $87.57 on this stock, and I'm wondering if I should sell or hold. Now if you go to the articles down here, guys, here we are here. There was a Chinese company actually that bought into AMC, guys. Hedge fund investors see Asia's preferred bet. No, that's not that one. There was an article here where some hedge funds have actually bought into AMC, guys, and I believe that's probably the reason why the company has gone gangbusters, actually. So it's had a pretty steady rise over the last week, which is really good. I guess with AMC, guys, it's one of those companies that you know, you got to take a risk on. If it's going to be going up, it will go up. Obviously, with the vaccine going out, cinemas across the world will open up. But AMC's one that's been doing pretty well the last couple of days, so I'm pretty happy with that. Other than that, guys, pretty much in my dividends, I've got $5.63 there, so that's pretty cool, guys. And this is what I love about dividend income. So really happy to see that. And if I scroll down to my reports and activities, guys, you can see that I bought last week, and I did a video of EPD, SPHD, and VYM. I received a dividend on the 17th of 11 cents, and one from AMCR, I believe that's Amcor, they do packaging and stuff, for 13 cents, UL 8 cents, and Prospect Capital $6.27. Now with Prospect Capital, obviously there's some things going on within the company in terms of them selling, you know, shares at cost price, if not below the market value. That does worry me a little bit. And if I go to Prospect Capital, guys, let's have a look here. If I go to PSEC, so I've got 104 shares of PSEC. I am up. I mean, I bought this quite, you know, low. I'm up $286, so I can't really complain about that. But obviously, what they're doing internally with this company is a bit worrying. You know, they're Prospect Capital Corporation announces launch of cash tender. So there's some things going in here, going on with Prospect Capital, guys. It's a little bit concerning. I received obviously an email from Prospect Capital, obviously being, you know, a common shareholder, so you can have voting rights and stuff like that, that they're going to be selling stocks at below market value. I'm not sure why they're doing that, but it is a bit concerning. Obviously I'll see how this goes, but this may be one company that I'll sell out of. But I mean, those dividends haven't really grown, so it's really annoying. It's remained at like that 6 cents for virtually, you know, the whole time I've had this company, guys. So who knows? Let's see what happens with Prospect Capital, guys. Other than that, I have deposited some funds. I deposited 250 Australian dollars into my portfolio last night. Basically, if I've got, you know, wages from my income that I've left in my account for the rest of the week on a Sunday night, I'll deposit all of it, if not half of it, into stake. And that's my commitment to this portfolio, building these dividends. This is really important, guys, because I have to stay committed, as well as everyone that is a dividend investor. So make sure that if you've got some funds, whatever it is, just put it into a dividend portfolio and build that dividend income. Because I was actually reading an article on Medium. Great app, guys, by the way, if you want to check that out, look it up. It's a really cool app. I'm not affiliated with them or anything, but they've got some really cool articles on there. And there were, dividend income is basically, I believe it was like 30% of, retirees or people that are struggling with their income. They're using dividends as income, and that's pretty cool, guys, because it's virtually, it's not guaranteed for the rest of your life, but it is very reliable. From these major companies and these ETFs and stuff like that, it is going to come in. But anyway, guys, so that's pretty much it across my portfolio. I'm sitting at $19,793.76. I keep putting money into this, but I'm not really worried about the fluctuations. I'm just worried about that dividend income. So I'll go to my dividend tracking app now. It did have a decrease. It was sitting at about $885 last week, but it's dropped a bit. So what can I do about that? It's dropped about $10, so that's going to fluctuate. So I'm due to receive dividends from VXUX of 18 cents and a big one of $12.27 from VYM, guys. That's really cool. I'm really happy with VYM. Let's finish this coffee. And obviously you can see that my top dividend payers: ExxonMobil, SPHD, Prospect Capital, Realty, VYM, EPD, guys, AT&T and AGNC. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I'm tossing up between EPD and AT&T, and maybe like something that's more of a consumer staple, like Coca-Cola or Pepsi, with that I think it was $250, sorry, which is $188 USD. So I might be purchasing more of something like that. I'm not sure yet, but I'll let you guys know once I've done that and I've done some more research. But 29% of my goal has been reached, guys. It has dropped 1% from 30. So $874.83 of dividend income per year. I've got a goal of $3,000, for 12 months, which I believe I can achieve. And I'll just keep smashing out this portfolio as much as I can. And let's have a look here at the portfolio returns. $25,569 Australian. Total return of $6,000. That's really good, guys. And there's a breakdown here of the composition here of what my main holdings are. You can see here ExxonMobil, Tesla's 12%, SPHD 12%, VYM 8.9%, SPCE 8.3%. This is confusing because it doesn't really, I guess it breaks it up into sectors here, guys, but because it's an app, it's really tricky to use that. I think I need to build that out a little bit. So with regards to the portfolio, if I scroll all the way down to my favorite here, the 10 years, I'll have dividend income of $3,075.47, and in 20 years, guys, $18,162. That's really cool, guys. So dividends receivable this month has been pretty good, guys. I have received $108, believe it or not, and the last remaining one is $10.44. And April's going to be a pretty slow one as well, guys. And this is my goal with regards to this, because I'd love to see all of these months at least at a minimum of $100 a month. So let's have a look at April, guys. So you can see what I mean by buying a different company like KO, which is Coca-Cola, for example, right? If I was to do that, I'd have a additional income coming in for these months of April, like in between, like March, June. Let's have a look here. Sorry. So my biggest payers are March, June, September, and December. So my goal is to build up those months which are lower. So for example, like April and May. So if we go to April, Coca-Cola, for example, is at 10 cents. Like, that is a great dividend company. Everyone knows that. Nike pays that as well. What have we got here? GPC, General Parts Co. IMO. What else have we got here, guys? Philip Morris is a good dividend payer as well. AGNC, that's standard. What have we got here? Main Street Capital, Realty, ARF. RY, which is Royal Bank of Canada. GEO, GPS, JP Morgan, LAND, LTC. MO is a really good dividend payer as well, guys. Altria Group. So that is one I'm considering as well for April, and then obviously the other one I've got to build up is in May. So this is what I was thinking about, maybe AT&T. So that's paying me $9.28 so far. CVS, VCLT, TLT, American Express, EPD is another one. So this is what I mean. So if I can build up those months in between the main dividend paying months, like for the bigger companies like ExxonMobil, Vanguards and all that sort of stuff, I'd be happy to see that come up to, you know, $100 every single month. That is my goal for the moment, I reckon, as well, because to keep, you know, this dividend income every single month consistent and at that level above $100, it's really good as well, because I mean, it's just going to increase the speed at which this portfolio grows. Anyways, guys, so I have made a deposit, and I will put another video up later in the week. Let me know what other companies you guys would like to invest in, dividend companies as well, if there's any other special ones that I can look into as well. Let me know in the comments below. And guys, as mentioned, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like the video and subscribe, because I'm really enjoying building and putting out these videos as well for dividend income as well. So all right, guys, so make sure you stay safe, take care, all the best. Let's touch base midweek with another video once I've made some purchases as well. All right, stay safe, happy investing, guys. Cheers, bye.